Build your ultimate digital hub, a personalized Linktree-style page in Webflow, without writing a single line of code. Ever feel like your social media presence is scattered across the internet? Today, we're going to fix that by creating a sleek mobile-first landing page in Webflow, just like Linktree, to give your audience a single, easy-to-navigate point of access to all your online platforms. First things first, let's get started by opening up Webflow and creating a brand new project. We'll start by focusing on the core structure in the Navigator panel. Select the body element. This is where everything will live. Next, let's add a section element from the Add Elements panel. We want this section to be the center of attention, so we'll use Flexbox to center it both horizontally and vertically on the page. Select the section. Then go to the Layout settings and choose the Center Alignment options. Now, let's add a container element inside our section. This will give us control over the width of our content. Set the max width to something like 600 pixels, and add some padding all around to create some breathing room. Time for your personal branding. Drag a heading element into the container. This will be your page title or your name. Style it to your liking. Bump up the font size and make it bold to grab attention. Now for the stars of the show, your links. Add a div block inside your container. This will act as our button. We'll style this to make it look clickable. With the div block selected, let's give it some visual flair. Add a background color, round off the corners with a border radius, and apply some padding to give your buttons that perfect button-like feel. Inside this button div block, add a text link element. This is where you'll put the text for your link, like my Instagram or my latest blog post. Style this text link to match your overall design. Choose a font, size, and color. And crucially, remove the default underline so it looks clean and professional. To add more links, simply duplicate the div block you just styled. Webflow makes it incredibly easy to maintain consistency across all your buttons. Make sure your links aren't too crowded. Select each button div block and add some bottom margin to create a nice visual separation between them. Want to add some flair? You can easily add social media icons. Drag in an icon element. Choose your desired icon and style it to fit your page's aesthetic. You can then wrap these icons in div blocks to link them to your relevant platforms. The beauty of Webflow is its mobile-first approach. Your page will automatically look fantastic on any device, ensuring a great experience for all your visitors. Once you're happy with your design, hit that Publish button, and your personalized Linktree-style page will be live for the world to see. And there you have it, a fully customized, mobile-friendly landing page created in Webflow, ready to consolidate all your important online links. Go ahead and create yours.